Well, when you say ERP cloud, I'm talking about Fusion applications. And as I mentioned to you a couple of minutes back, customer have two choices. Either, I mean, from the cloud environment, either take your Oracle e-business as is to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or you implement Fusion applications, right? I think long-term Fusion applications would make a lot of difference, and I'll tell you the reasons. Your Oracle e-business, whether it is on-premise or cloud, the new version of Oracle e-business comes in every 18 months, whereas the new version of Fusion application comes in every 3 months. So what happens in Oracle e-business? Your modernization efforts are delayed for 18 months. And the way industries are moving so fast, maybe your front-end applications, your customer-facing applications are getting modernized very quickly. But if your back-end ERP is not going to support it, the overall impact is not going to be that great. So you need to keep a pace of it. So if you're in the industry which requires modernization regularly, it makes sense for you to invest at this stage to get into the Fusion applications. And you can go step by step. You can start with finance first, then you can start with smaller modules like purchase, procurement, supply chain, some modules in supply chain, and then go ahead on this. So that's up to you. But Fusion makes a lot of sense because every 3 months you have a set of new features coming into it. And the reason why Oracle does this, because Oracle is not going to allow you to do any customization of the Fusion, right? So every 3 months when you get the new feature, it is important that your tech team and business team go through those features which are published by Oracle, see which features are relevant, and incorporate those features in Fusion. So maybe after you go live in 1 year where you have 4 different versions, and even if you use 25% of those new versions, you suddenly see at the end of 1 year after go live, you have a very, very modern system. So which is one advantage, frequent updates. Second is that everything is managed by Oracle. Your underlying infrastructure, because SaaS also runs on OCI. Oracle Fusion application runs on OCI. So that is managed by Oracle. The databases are managed by Oracle. The applications are managed by Oracle. The backups, the patches, everything is managed by Oracle. So when you invest in Fusion, you are actually focusing how to make your Fusion modern and relevant to your business. Now the question is that, then you say that then what IT teams are going to do? Well, IT teams now then can focus, instead of maintaining the ERP, now they can focus to see that how they can modernize it. So can they get the analytics? Can they look into the integration? Can they do like simple self-service dashboard for this? So your IT team can focus on modernizing it. Because now, as everything is maintained and managed by Oracle, a lot of workload from you has already gone. A lot of cost has already gone, from your stack. So that's the second reason why Fusion makes sense. Third is that in Fusion, there are a lot of rapid implementation or what we call as accelerator methods. And Clover has developed a good amount of accelerator methods within. So you can implement those changes pretty quickly. You can incorporate those changes. When we implemented Oracle Fusion for ourselves 3 to 4 years back, GST was incorporated into this. Now, whatever changes are coming into GST, we're able to easily incorporate into your Fusion, because that's the beauty of Fusion. Third reason why you should go for Fusion, in Oracle e-business, which is the on-premise version, everything is from the software perspective. Whereas in Fusion, everything is from a user perspective. So for example, if I'm a payable manager, if I log into my system, Fusion Financials or Fusion, I get my daily task that these are payables today. This is the cash position. These are the approvals which are pending. all these are well set for me. If I'm a receivable manager, I will get those dashboards very quickly that what kind of receipts I can expect today. Which are the receipts which are overdue beyond so and so time. Which receipts I should focus. It will make you smarter. Which receipts I should focus. So this is all from a persona perspective. So your Fusion, if you implement it from persona perspective, it will really improve the productivity of your team. And then if you have additional modules like EPM, or if you have bolt-on applications, integrations with your other system, it can really make a huge difference, to your business. You can give real-time analytics, you can give real-time data, you can predict a certain amount of parameters, what you're looking at it. So it's beautiful. The GUI is beautiful. I can create my KPIs. I can put it on my mobile. I can actually see the financial health, my supply chain health. I can see it on that. It's a modern software. So even if there's an investment from your side, I think it's the right time for you to consider Fusion application, from the long-term perspective.